If I had to start from zero today with no skills, no money, and just my smartphone, this is exactly how I will make my first $100 online in 2025. The truth is, most of us are stuck with outdated methods, filling out surveys that will pay you just pennies, chasing gigs that are already oversaturated or even worse, getting scammed from the Ponzi schemes out there. You're here today because you're tired of hustling and making no money and getting no results, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to reveal to you the easiest and most legit way you can make money online in 2025. Methods that require no experience, methods that are beginner friendly, and are working right now. Whether you're a student, a stay-home mom, or someone out there who is looking for extra income, this method has got you covered. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is she? Hi, my name is Claudia Fungo and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, make sure you click on that like, you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on other videos we upload on this channel. All right. Let's count down to the easiest way you can make money online in 2025, starting from number 5 to number 1. What I want you all to know is I love all 5 easiest ways to make money. They are easy, they are fast, and you can actually rely on them. You do not need any experience, you do not need any skill, you don't need any certification to start making money using these 5 easy ways. Just follow this video. If you have any question, make sure you go to the comment section and drop your comments right there, and you can also join us on our WhatsApp link, on Telegram link, and also on our Instagram link so that we can best communicate. The links are below on the comment section and on the description. So we are waiting for you to communicate and help you make money from the online space. Number 5. AI-powered freelancing. Imagine this. You get paid to write product description, captions, or even ebook, but the work is 90% done by ChatGPT and Canva. Yes, you heard me right. You are the creative brain behind it, but AI does the heavy lifting. Now, take an example like this. You're giving a prompt like this to ChatGPT. Perfect. Now, after ChatGPT has done this heavy lifting for you, creating this product description or ebook, the next thing you have to do is to copy this and then you edit it. You can use Grammarly to actually edit it, and make sure when you're editing, you put a little feel of you in this product description or this ebook. You don't want someone to go through your ebook and know that it was actually AI that did the work for you. So take your time. You can take 2 hours, proofread it, edit it, and make sure it feels or has a little feel like you. Now, when you're done with this, you can now send this to the company you're working with or to the person that requires what you have done. Either it's an ebook, a caption, or a product description. Now, where can you find clients that need you to write product description, captions, and ebooks? You can go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and many more, and you can find companies and other people who are looking forward to having someone that can create a product description, ebooks, and other things for them. Now, what you have to do on this platform is create your account and be specific on the particular skill you have, so that when someone comes to your platform or to your page, that person will know exactly what you can do and how long you can offer that to them. Number 4, TikTok Shop affiliate programs. Let me know in the comment section how many of you know about TikTok Shop affiliate programs. Now, you do not need to sell your products anymore. I mean, if you have your products that you want to sell, good. If you don't have products and you're like, Claudia, I want to do this, I want to make money through this method, then do not worry. What you have to do is just promote trending TikTok Shop items using your link. So all you have to do is to go to TikTok, you create your account, and then you go to TikTok shop and you promote products that are there. Just select randomly any product that you feel comfortable, and you get paid when anyone uses that link to purchase any of the products that you are promoting. Easy peasy. Now, to start making money using TikTok Shop affiliate program, there are requirements, of course. The first thing you need is your TikTok account, and the second thing is good content ideas. It is very important for you to have good content ideas that you will promote that product. That is why I said from the beginning, select an item that you feel comfortable with, an item that you feel that you can do good content about it and you can feel comfortable about promoting that particular product. So you do not need a lot of things to get started. Your TikTok account and good content ideas for the product you want to promote. And this is really easy. All you have to do is to get a link, sign up into this TikTok shop affiliate program, get a link to a particular product, share it, make content about it and share it on your platform. You can share it on any of your social media platforms, and when anyone uses that link and purchase that product, you are making money. You're getting a commission from there. You do not have the item, all you do is promoting and making money. Now, come closer, just come a little bit closer. Let me give you the perfect secret to actually scaling with TikTok shop affiliate marketing. You can use AI generated videos, right? Or product unboxing to drive traffic. You can go to a platform like InVideo AI, give just a prompt and it's going to create a content for you. If you do not want to use InVideo AI, you can go to ChatGPT, type in a prompt, and it's going to give you a content idea that you can actually promote that product. Easy busy. Stop complaining about AI. What you have to do is to make use of AI and make money from this before it's too late. Number 3, transcribing with AI tools. Listen, apps like Otter AI and Descript can actually transcribe audio and video files in minutes. All you have to do, your own job, is for you to clean it up and submit it. Now, Claudia, what are you talking about? I mean, what exactly are you talking about? Now, you can become a transcriber even if you have no skills, no experience, no certification. And this is how you do it. You use AI tools to transcribe this, and when AI has transcribed this, all you have to do is to edit it and submit it. Now, I know your next question is, okay, Claudia, I want to actually become a transcriber. I want to make money from this. How do I get started? What platforms can I use? Listen, these 3 platforms tested and trusted. You can use a platform like Rev, you can use Go Transcript, and you can also use Scribby. So we have Rev, Go Transcript, and Scribby. These platforms are the platforms that I trust, and I know you will make a lot of money from there. Remember, all you need to do is to get an AI tool to transcribe for you, and then you just need to proofread it and you submit it. Now, listen, if you want to get started, you can watch a video like this right here, and it's going to take you step by step how you can get started on this, and you can make up to $1,000 in your first month as a transcriber. Now, listen to this carefully. This is one of the easiest way you can make money from the online space. AI has actually come to facilitate work for you. Instead of you to go learn a skill or learn how to transcribe before you get right here to the online space, search for a job and start doing it, all you have to do is go to any of these platforms or all of the platforms, depending on how much money you're looking for, how aggressive you are, and then you create your account. When you get a job, you use AI to transcribe for you, and you can use a platform like Grammarly to proofread what you've transcribed, and then you can now submit. Grammarly actually makes work very easy for you. It's also another AI tool that will help you to proofread whatever you've used another AI tool to transcribe. It's going to proofread this for you, and you can now submit it. Number 2, selling digital products. Now, you can create and sell digital products even if you have no experience in designing. A platform like Canva plus Gumroad is equal to money. You can create journals, planners, resume templates, and sell them over and over and over and over again. This is actually passive income in its finest. Now, if you want to start selling digital products, you can use a platform like Gumroad, Payship, and Etsy. Create your digital products and you sell on these platforms. You can use Canva templates and AI tools like Kettle for creative boost. Now, this is the best way for you to earn money online. It is actually passive income in its finest. Now, selling digital products is one of the ways you can actually make a lot of money online. And I know some of you will be like, oh, I have zero experience in designing. Don't worry, Canva will make work very easy for you. There are already pre-designed templates right there on Canva that all you have to do is to edit those templates to your liking or to the kind of digital product that you are creating. And the amazing thing about Canva is Canva has a free version and Canva also has a pro version. And let me tell you, my darlings, you can use the free version of Canva to design journals, to create planners, and a lot other things for yourself. So don't get worried about the fact, oh, you do not have money to get started with the pro version. The free version is right there that you can use. If you want to learn how you can create journals, you can watch this video right here. It's going to put you step by step how you can do that. And also, if you get confused anywhere, let me know on the comment section and I'm going to be there to help you. Don't forget, you can also reach out to me on our WhatsApp channel, on our Telegram channel, and also on our Instagram channel. The links are all below. Go there, click and join us right there. We are waiting for you to support you to make your first $100 this 2025 from the online space. Now, the amazing thing about digital product that I love and I want all of you to engage in this is because you can sell one digital product in several different platforms and you can sell that over and over and over again. Even in the next 10 years, if someone goes through your digital product, you will still be earning. This is actually passive income in its finest, like I said before. So take your chance today. We are waiting for you. Anything you want to learn, join us on any of the channels and I'll be right there to put you through. Number 1, faceless YouTube automation with AI. This one is huge. I mean, this one is really huge in 2025. You can use ChatGPT to write your scripts. You can use 11 Labs or TTS app for your voice over. And you can use a platform like Pictory or InVideo AI to edit your videos and boom, you have a YouTube channel that runs without you showing your face, that runs without you doing research, without you sitting in front of the camera like I'm doing right now, without you editing, and without you spending a lot of your time thinking of what you can actually do. People with this kind of channels on YouTube are making it big. So if you're right there and you want to become a YouTuber and you're like, oh, I don't want to be like you, Claudia, this is so stressful, faceless YouTube automation with AI is what you can do. Now, how do you make money from this faceless YouTube automation with AI? You can monetize this your channel via YouTube ads, affiliate links, and digital products. Remember, we've talked about affiliate programs, right? For TikTok affiliate programs, right? What you can do is to get your links right there on TikTok, and then you can share on your YouTube channel. All right, easy peasy. Even your digital products, you can talk about your digital products right here. So you must not wait to make money from the ads on YouTube or to get your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before you start making money on YouTube. You can start making money from YouTube from your first video and from your first day. All you have to do is to have an affiliate link that you talk about it or share on your YouTube channel, and also a digital product. All right, make sure you maximize all this so you can actually make money and help yourself financially right now. Now, come closer. The best tip I can give you for this faceless YouTube automation with AI is for you to focus on profitable niches like tech reviews, financial tips, and AI tools. These 3 niches are paying very highly on YouTube, and these niches you would grow very, very fast. If you ask my opinion, but if you have something you want to do, you have your own niche that you're interested in doing, good for you. But you see tech reviews, great. You see financial tips, amazing. AI tools, it's what is taking all over the internet right now, and you want to get into this so you don't waste your time like most of us have done for years before we could actually start making money from YouTube. All right? So, one thing you should know about me if you've been watching my videos, if you've been consistent on this channel, is I'm going to tell you what works best in the market right now so that you can make a choice. You can decide to start your YouTube channel or to pick whatever easy way you want to make money, but it's up to you. But I've also given you what is working right now. Listen, if you want any of these tools, any of these websites, any of the links I've mentioned in this video, there is a link below there at the comment section and on the description. Go right there, click on it. It's going to take you to the website where you can just give one click and it's going to take you directly to the website, to the links that I've mentioned and the tools I've mentioned in this video, so you can start making your dollars as fast and as easy as possible. I love you all. Let me know on the comment section if this video helps you out, and if you're new to YouTube, go down to the comment section and drop a comment describing what you do on your channel, and also join us on our WhatsApp channel, on our Telegram channel, and also on our Instagram channel. We are right there waiting to connect with you, to help you grow, to help you get your monetization, and also to help you start making money online. Thank you all for watching till the end, and do not forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, comment, and click on the like, because your click on that like is going to help the algorithm to push this video to as many people as possible. Namaste. Bye-bye.